Hi, this is Travis with SCW. Today, I'll show you how to set up motion detection zones on your Admiral and Imperial NVR. First, navigate to the menu, then Alarm, then Motion. Choose the camera you'd like to edit from the drop-down menu. Make sure that the box labeled Enable is checked. Draw a grid on the area you'd like motion to be detected, or click the full screen button to enable motion detection for the entire view. When you've drawn the zone, press Apply. In the Trigger Actions tab, you can adjust what happens when motion is detected. You have the option of sounding a buzzer on the NVR, sending an email, or displaying a pop-up window on the local monitor. Make sure that the camera you have chosen is selected in the recording section. You can also assign other cameras to record when this camera detects motion. This is useful if you have two cameras pointed at the same location and want both to record when one detects motion. The sensitivity slider will allow you to adjust how much motion is required to trigger motion detection. A higher number will be more sensitive. If you're getting too many false alarms, try gradually lowering the sensitivity. Press Apply after adjusting settings. For more information, go to scwguide.com.